Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Editing Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to blur background using KineMaster. If you want to blur out your video's background on KineMaster, then it's a simple and a straightforward way. First of all, open up the KineMaster application and start up a project. Now, click on the media icon at the top right corner and import the video you want to edit. Once you select the video clip, go ahead and tap on the tick mark at the top right corner. Select the video clip on the timeline and this will show you editing options on the right hand corner. From the options, go ahead and find the background option and tap on it. Select blur from the menu and you will then be able to see the blur effect applied to your video. You will find a slider to control the intensity of the blur. Adjust it to your preference and you will effectively be able to blur the background of your video and create visually appealing content. After you are happy with the result, tap on the export button at the top right, select one of the export options from format, resolution, frame rate and bitrate, and finally tap on save as video at the bottom right hand corner. And that is how you can easily blur the background of your video on KineMaster. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.